Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, we will see about more date format in MySQL. So what we are going to see? We are seeing the date format function. Okay. In previous class, we had covered year function, month function, day function. Okay. So these type of functions and the different data types we have covered. So now in this class we are going to see what is date format function, what is date subtract function, months between if it is there. I'm not sure if it is there in MySQL or not, but let me check if it is there. So what is the what is the date function? Date format function. Date format function allows you to get your date in your desired format. Suppose I have already the admission date time. Okay, temp 6. In the previous class I have made it. Okay, so let me go and see it. Select. Okay, let me select star from medical shop dot temp 6. Okay, so you can see, if I execute this, what I am going to see, I'm going to see the date time. It is in date time format, it is in date type data type. Okay, you can see clearly it is a date time data type. But I don't want like this. I want like this. I only want to extract in some format that I that instead of this 02, I want February. Okay, I want February. So in that case, what should I do? I will use in that case date format function. This what date format function do. Date format allows you to fetch your result in your desired string format. Okay, so I will pass date format and the column name. Okay, whatever the column name we are going to operate, and 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 the string name. Okay, so what we are going to have, I have %y for year, %m, okay, for month, and %d for day. Okay, in that case, let me show you without doing this. You can see it's February, but we don't have any hyphen, so put an hyphen, so that the it should have a delimiter. So instead of that, let me put a delimiter between this, and now I'm going to run, and now you can see it's a hyphen in between February. And now see, you can clearly see it is a better format than this. Okay, this is a clearly, because human uh, as string. Okay, it is a human readable format. Okay, human readable format. But still, you will say that hour and second has been gone. That because I have not given hour, second, and minutes. Okay, that is the case. I have not given. So in that case, if you want all these things, see, seriously, I don't remember all these things. Okay, okay, so how do I proceed with date format? How do I proceed with the %sign and whatever I can apply here? Okay, so I have the link. Okay, I just go to Google and search it for W3 school. My function, this is the best site I have seen. So I will give this link to you in my, yeah, I have already opened this. Okay, I've already opened this. So you can see we have clearly, if you want to know only y, only %y, so you can see only %y, only 2017 will appear. So date format is a wonderful function. You can see, and here you can see a number of strings here, a number of strings. Okay, if you want to know the seconds, you can apply %s. Okay, if you want to apply, it's a AM or PM. Okay, suppose you want to see if it is an AM or PM. In this case, okay, just apply space percent %p, and you can see it is a PM, AM, sorry, and here it is 15, means 3 o'clock in the daytime, so it's a PM. So just try it, just try it. Okay, rather than I am going to explain you, I want you to just try it, everything. Just try it and see how well you are coming. Okay, if I'm going to explain you, it will take a number of days to explain each and everything. Okay, so this is the case. In the second, date subtraction. So in the, so suppose if you want to see the difference between two dates, like select date sub, just apply date sub. Okay, 2023 0302. Okay, 2nd of March 2023, and 2023 uh, 03 uh, 01. Suppose only one day difference is there. So let's see if it comes or not. Let's see. You uh, no, date sub is not there, because see, these type of functions, you can just google it on. Okay, just date sub in MySQL, like this, you can google it like this. Okay, and interval 10 day. Okay, so this is the function. Whatever you can see, it is suppose if you want to see the back 10 days. Okay, interval 10 days. So suppose select this one. In the interval of 10 days, what you will see, so it will be 5 of 5th of June 2017. Okay, so see, it's a 5th of June 2017. Whatever it is, 2017, 15th of June. Interval 10 day, what will it do? It will subtract 10 days in 15th of June. See, you can clearly see if I'm also not able to recollect all these things. Okay, so these things are never recollected by anyone. I challenge, no one can remember all these stuffs. So you can just, these are the things, these are called smart work. Just you can google it, and you can see the difference. You can see how it works. Okay, so now and similarly, months between this, you can also search for month between. I am telling you how to quickly organize these things. See how to quickly organize these things. Okay, so months between function, 2 days. So month between, okay, so month between, how many month between? Months between, and you can see time diff, timestamp diff. Nope, month between is not present here. I don't see here. So um, I can't see here month between function. Date add and date add and date sub is there. So date add, suppose if you want to add some date, so just do interval 10 days. Okay, so it will add 10 days. Okay, I have told you date sub. I will tell you date add as well. Okay, because date sub will subtract 10 days and date add will add 10 days. So this type of things you can do it. So is this clear with you? Is this clear with you? Am I clear in this case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just try it. Okay, rather than I'm going to explain you everything, you can just explore it. That's why I have given you, this is my whole motive, to give you this link. because this link will help you to surf all this stuffs. Okay. So the viewers who are watching this video, I also request you to go and surf this link. I will give this link in the description. So because everything is we are not able to remember all the stuff, so we can just do smart work. We can do just Google, and uh, and with the searching stuffs, we can explore the things, so that we can focus more on logic rather than the syntax. Okay. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.